one. All right. Mustang 4, grab your feet right off the start. Happy hamsters pushing those reds off the post for an extra 5 points. We have happy hamsters pushing some greens. Mustang 4 with the green in their club. Let's see if they can score that. Happy hamsters pushing another red off for an extra 5 points. All reds have post as we get to 35 seconds. You can now switch drivers. Mustang 4 with the green cube. Let's see if they can get back into the goal. 25 seconds, you must switch drivers if you have it. Cube is dropped out to the field. We've got a purple into Happy Hamster's collection. Let's see if they can get it into the goal. Happy Hamsters trying to get some room. In the last 5 seconds, we'll see if any teams can get apart. That's 5 minutes. 269 here on the opportunity field. We have 6x4, 116, Mustang 3, and 1410.